Hi, let's do 8 minus 5 parentheses 8 minus 5. I've taught forever, so I know most people will start with the parentheses. So let's start there. And we will have 8 minus 5, and then 8 minus 5 in the parentheses is actually a 3. Then what I usually see people do is they go from left to right, and they would do the 8 minus 5 in the front, and that would be 3, and they would get 3 times 3. And their answer would be 9. Problem is that's wrong because they did not follow the order of operations. Reviewing, that's parentheses first, which is how they start. Exponents, doesn't matter, we don't have any. Multiply and divide in order from left to right before you do any adding or subtracting in order from left to right. And that was the mistake I made right here. This 5 times 3 should have happened before the 8 minus 5. So let's redo it. We started correctly, so that's good. We have 8 minus 5, and there's the 3 on the inside. But now you have to move past this subtraction and go to this multiplication in the back, and you end up with 8 minus 15. And 8 minus 15 is negative 7. And that is your correct answer.